Church worldwide brings you the following programs that carry the message of salvation, faith, and miracles. JIL Worship and Healing Service, Word for the Season, Worship, Word, and Wonders, Life Giver, Prayer Line, Jesus the Healer. Stay connected, be the salt and light of this world. Tune in to JIL Church programs here on Live TV.
Abangan ang lingkod sa Daylight Devotion. Kasama sila.
God's love is persistent and stubborn. Ang pag-ibig ng Diyos ay due to adversities, tinulungan niya tayong lumampas ang expectation ng Panginoon ngayon. Gamitin
Nga po, core problem, ito po yung what we fail to build in our homes will collapse in our children. Kapag hindi po, the more we get close to Him, the more we become like Him, being patient, kind, forgiving, generous, so loving.
Women need to be loved. And it's consistent around the world. And you know what?
Dito lang sa Live TV.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
Malalaman ninyo ang kanonohanan ang magpapalaya sa inyo. I am not the healer. Jesus Christ living in me is the healer. He is the same yesterday, today, and forever. Kung hindi siya magdududa sa kanyang puso, sa halip, bagkos, mananampalataya siya, ang sinasabi ng kanyang bibig ay mangyayari. In living in the last days, you have to ensure your eternal. Prepare for eternity. If we only know and understand